Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be making this adorable custom coffee mug for a teacher. This makes a great teacher appreciation gift or end of the school year gift for your kid's teacher, or if you're looking for something to sell, this is perfect. The first thing that you want to do is jump into some kind of design program so that you can make your coffee mug design. I'm going to be using Cricut Design Space today, but again, you can use anything that you like. So this is what it's going to look like here when the design is ready to go and be printed off onto the mug. So first things first, you're probably wondering, how did I get these little images? Well, this is actually a design file that I purchased from Etsy. I will do my best to link that down below if you're interested as well. And then what I did after that is I come over here and I choose the font that I like. So I like marker felt. I think it looks kind of cute and like school. And you type the teacher's name. Then after that, I typed "is loved by," just because I think it makes it look kind of cute. And then I like to add 2 hearts on the end just to kind of give it a little something extra, but you know, this can be your design however you'd like to do, and give a little bit of color. And then I just duplicate it on the other side. Now, when I'm making my designs, typically I use a 15-ounce mug, so I try to stay within the parameters of 3 to 4 inches of my design when I'm working with the width of it, as well as the height for that matter. So sometimes you got to shrink the kids' images just a little bit, just to make sure you can fit everybody's names and the little stick figures in there, and sometimes even the teachers' names. But I just kind of work with it the best I can and make sure everything is down and even. And then, so let's see, shrink this down just a little bit. There we go. And then I individually select which stick figure I think best relates to the children. These files, they come with all kinds of different varieties. Some have glasses, some have just different colored hair, things like that. So it kind of makes it individualized to the students. So yeah, I go ahead and do that, and then I write their names below each one, center each one out, and ultimately it's going to look like this. Now, if you are in Cricut Design Space, moving over here, you are going to want to make sure that you do a print and cut with this if you're sublimating. What does that mean? Well, if you're not familiar, that basically means you're going to come over here, and so if I unflatten it, you see it gives you the option. It's going to act like you're going to try to cut, but I want to go ahead and click right here. I want to click flatten. This is going to make my image do a print and cut, so that when I do hit print and click make it, it will look like this. Now, make sure you mirror it. Cricut's not going to automatically do that for you, so you want it to look the right way. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and print this off. I'm going to send it to my sublimation printer. I'm using an SG400, so I will link that down below. The newest version is actually SG500. It's basically the same thing. I just have a little bit of an older model. Okay, so I tell it to send to my SG400. This is important as well. Make sure you turn off the bleed. If you turn on the bleed, it's going to be a mess, and you do not want that. Send it to our printer, and here we go. Okay, so I'm going to take some heat resistant tape and tape it down. I like to work with it in different sections, so I will cut the front design like this to go on here. This is the front. Okay, and then this is the back. So there we go. It's beeping to let us know it's heated up. Let's go ahead and stick it in, and I will show you guys the final design. Okay, and then I set it in front of a fan just to help cool the mug and stop the sublimation process.